Hey Print Hustlers, Bruce from Printavo here. I'm actually with Nick Martin,
Hey,
one of our onboarding reps here at Printavo. What we wanted to do was we were running through Zapier and just how it works, and we wanted to create this video for all of you guys and actually for us too internally to help show really the power of Zapier. So Zapier, first of all, Zapier.com is a really great way to connect apps together and be able to share data across different applications. They have so many integrations with all of these different apps to be able to connect it together. It fits in with Printavo is the ability to connect any sort of app out there with Printavo too. Some of the biggest examples that we see is email marketing based, maybe with MailChimp, Slack, Google Calendar, Jotform, Gravity Form. What this allows you to do is be able to say, for example, take a Gravity Form piece of data that's submitted on your website and input it as an inquiry in Printavo. We're going to run through how that works too. The MailChimp example is pretty cool too, as when a customer is created in Printavo, export that customer information to MailChimp so you can do your monthly newsletters. So going back in here to our account, the way to do this is you'll sign up for a free Zapier account. There are paid plans which give you more features and they're pretty affordable, $10, $15, $20 a month. So we can go in here and click make a Zap and we'll name our Zap. So the first one let's try is Printavo to MailChimp. So our goal here is when I go into Printavo, I want to create a customer, and when the customer is created, I want to have the customer information copy out into MailChimp.com so that I can have this for email marketing. The way we'll set this up here is create what's called a trigger. So this trigger is, okay, when this happens, do something else. The do something else part is the action. So our trigger is when we create a customer in Printavo. So we'll search for Printavo. Triggers when a new customer is created, we'll select that. We will use our Printavo account here, and you'll be able to connect that by clicking connect an account, following the instructions there, and hit save and continue. Now, we'll click here and they'll be able to generate an example. So we'll click continue. And now we set up our action. So this is what happens when the trigger has gone off. So for this example, we want to select MailChimp and we want to add/update subscriber. So we'll click check here and click create. Now I'll click save and continue, and now we populate exactly what data we want to be able to publish right into MailChimp. So for example, we'll select our list here. We will be able to input the subscriber email by clicking on this little icon on the right, and I'll select the email field. And then you can put in any other information you'd like and hit continue. So that's all you really have to do. You'll click test and you'll save it, and then we have our Zap that's been created. That's it. Anytime I create a new customer in Printavo, it's going to be exported over to MailChimp too. So you can do the same exact thing now, for example, on a form on your website. All you have to do is click make a Zap. You'll select the form software you use. I've seen a lot of Gravity Forms, I've seen a lot of Jotform, and then do the same exact thing. Well, you're kind of doing the reverse because the trigger is a new form submission, and then the action will be creating a inquiry or even a new quote or invoice in Printavo. And then you'll populate the fields again right here in Printavo with everything that came from that Gravity Form submission. So super simple, no coding required, and it's really, really powerful. If you guys have questions, definitely leave them below in the comments.